If your Silverado USB port is buzzing or humming, it's usually an electrical grounding issue or a failing module. Statistically, 85% of these cabin noises are caused by simple grounding interference rather than a broken part. Before you start tearing out the dashboard, let's perform a simple diagnostic check to isolate the noise. First, clear the port of any debris and test it with a high-quality shielded cable to rule out external interference. The noise is typically a ground loop, but a failing HMI module can also create an audible high-pitched whine. If the pitch changes when you rev the engine, you are definitely looking at an alternator grounding problem. Try cleaning your battery terminals first. If that fails, you may need to replace the physical USB hub. A new cable is cheap, but having a shop diagnose and replace the module can easily exceed $200. To replace the port, disconnect the battery, pop the plastic trim, and simply swap out the plug-and-play hub. Make sure you have plastic trim tools and some electronic contact cleaner before you start the job. Always check for a loose ground wire under the console before you spend money on expensive new modules. With the noise gone, you can finally enjoy your music again. Hit subscribe for more truck troubleshooting.